Hi friends, welcome back to Smile Nursing Tutorial. Today here we are seeing some functional manuals. This manual is provided by one of the great person. Really we are very thankful to her. Here we can see the different roles of staff nurses, next head nurses, nursing grade 2, ANMs and health visitors. In this functional manual, we can see the different roles of staff nurses in medical ward. It's really very helpful to you. You can't get anywhere this functional manual. Please use this and try to make sure our responsibilities in our medical department. This is very valuable information. We can't get anywhere about this functional manual. For that reason, I am storing in YouTube. Thank you for watching this video.